Today, I'm taking a deep dive into Bitwarden, one of the most talked about password managers out there, especially for those who value open source software and privacy. Right from the start, Bitwarden stands out with its clean interface and transparent approach to security. Signing up is easy and free for the basic plan, and it doesn't push paid upgrades aggressively like some other platforms. Once you're in, the dashboard is minimalistic but efficient, making it accessible even for users who aren't particularly tech-savvy. You can store logins, notes, credit cards, and identities. The autofill works smoothly in most browsers thanks to a robust extension system. One of the big advantages here is cross-platform sync, and in my experience, it works perfectly between mobile and desktop. The password generator is flexible, allowing custom lengths, symbols, and character sets. Importing data from other managers is also streamlined. I tested importing from LastPass and had no major issues. One area where Bitwarden really shines is transparency. Because it's open source, anyone can audit the code, and the platform has been independently security audited multiple times. That said, some might find the interface a bit too plain or lacking polish compared to flashier tools like Dashlane or NordPass. Bitwarden also offers encrypted file storage and TUTP two-factor code generation for premium users, but these features aren't essential for everyone. The mobile app mirrors the desktop functionality almost exactly, though I notice slightly slower autofill times on iOS compared to Android. Another point to note, you have to manually enable certain features, like biometric unlock. They're not active by default. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. In terms of reliability, Bitwarden has never failed to sync or retrieve a login for me, even when switching between devices on the fly. Their zero-knowledge architecture means no one, not even Bitwarden, can access your data. Everything is encrypted client-side. Still, if you forget your master password, you're out of luck. There's no account recovery unless you set up specific recovery options in advance. Support is responsive, but not immediate. For free users, response times can take a couple of days. Premium is reasonably priced and includes priority support, extra storage, and advanced 2FA. All in all, Bitwarden is an excellent tool for anyone who wants a secure, private, and flexible password management system without paying a monthly subscription. It's not flashy, but it's solid, trusted, and does what it claims without gimmicks. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.